In the bustling heart of Los Angeles, where lights never dim and dreams soar high, lived a woman named Elise Rivera. Elise was a vibrant, fiery spirit known throughout her community for her infectious laugh and warm heart. Her life in Los Angeles was like a whirlwind, a series of events and moments that were often thrilling, sometimes challenging, but always fulfilling. Elise worked as an independent photographer, capturing the unique pulse of the city through her lens. From the street performers on Venice Beach to the glittering skyline at dusk, she immortalized the soul of Los Angeles with every click, her photos speaking volumes about the diversity and vibrancy of the city. Yet, while her photographs depicted the splendor of LA, Elise's life was on the verge of an unexpected twist. One scorching summer evening, as the sunset painted the city in hues of orange and purple, Elise was on a rooftop capturing the magical transformation of day into night. Suddenly, a peculiar glint caught her eye. It was a minor, almost imperceptible spark at first, emanating from the distance. Curiosity piqued, Elise zoomed in her camera lens only to witness a small fire erupting at the edge of the downtown area. Without thinking twice, Elise sprung into action, dialing the emergency services and then rushing towards the scene, her sense of public duty overriding personal safety. She arrived before the fire department, witnessing the chaotic scene as flames engulfed an old building many had thought abandoned. As onlookers appeared, murmuring and filming on their phones, Elise realized that despite the deteriorating structure, there could still be someone inside. Ignoring the growing danger, she dashed across the street, her heart pounding with a mixture of fear and resolve. Inside, the thick smoke clung to her lungs, making it hard to breathe. Navigating through the crumbling interior, she discovered an elderly janitor, unconscious but alive. The janitor, old Mr. Thompson, was a beloved figure in the neighborhood. Determined to save him, Elise mustered all her strength, managing to drag Mr. Thompson out just as firefighters arrived on the scene. Gasping for fresh air, she was hailed a hero by witnesses, although her thoughts were with Mr. Thompson's recovery. The incident left a lasting impact on Elise and the community. The newspapers dubbed her the Woman of Los Angeles on Fire, a nod both to her daring rescue and her fiery passion for life. Her photographs thereafter told stories not just of beauty but of courage and resilience, inspiring many. From that day on, Elise continued her journey, her camera in hand, her heart full of gratitude, and a spirit ever more ablaze with purpose. The fire had not only brought devastation but also a renewed sense of community and hope, reminding everyone that in times of crisis, even one person could make a world of difference.